If you don't know, you better get involved. For all of those, for each chapter that we have, the first 10 people who join per each chapter is automatically an ambassador. And what is an ambassador? That's someone who is going to be, looked at as a leader inside the group. Somebody who gets $25 for every person that they refer, someone that that kind of helps and who has first opportunity at leadership opportunities inside the group. We have so far we have over 20 countries, women from over 20 countries, including the United States. Women from over 20 countries have expressed interest in the Net 7 Nation. So this is not just the United States; it's women in several countries in Africa. South Africa, Kenya, Nigeria. It's women from the islands. It's women from Denmark, from France, from Switzerland who've expressed interest in the Net 7 Nation. They want to be a part of this movement because this movement is much bigger than us individually. We cannot fight the powers that be individually. We got to do it together. And so that's the beauty of it. And that's the reason why I'm doing it. And so just so you can know a little bit about my journey, about my story, this is what happened.
I never thought I'd be starting over. After over 20 years of marriage, 4 beautiful children, and building the largest Black-owned real estate firm in California, I thought I finally arrived. Life was good. I was making money. I had a team, investments, a mortgage company. Everything I had worked for, prayed for, bled for, I'd built with my own hands. And then my whole world shifted. Divorce hit me like a wrecking ball. So I abruptly packed up my life. I left my business and I moved across the country. Not because I had it all figured out, because I needed some space to breathe. And what most people don't know is I was able to walk away and take a 2-year break because I had built passive income. That's what freedom looks like. Having my money work for me when I couldn't even work for myself. And during that time of stillness, I prayed, I fasted, I asked God, what's now? That's when he gave me the vision for Net 7 Collective. I looked around and I realized most of the people who worked for me were Black women. My tribe, my circle, all Black women. And I saw what we needed. We needed wealth. We needed healing. We needed options. We needed each other. I wanted to empower women who looked like me, who had given their all to everybody else, to finally pour into themselves, to build businesses, to invest, to write books, to own something. And baby, they did. Over 80 women all across the country and even globally had increased their net worth. They grew new income streams and they stepped into their power that they didn't even know that they had. But beyond the money, they found sisterhood. And now we're building Net 7 Nation because this movement is bigger than just a cohort. This is grassroots. This is legacy. And if you're a Black woman or you know one who's ready to get free, not just financially, but spiritually, emotionally, generationally, it's time. Welcome to Net 7 Nation.
So this is my passion project. So if you are a Black woman or you know a Black woman, either have them contact me at bookwithconstance.com and we can talk about being a part of the Net 7 Collective, which is our inner circle, or you can go to Net 7 Nation where they'll be part of the entire nation, and which we're all excited about. All the chapter leaders, we're all excited. We've been meeting and just planning some really great curriculum for all of you. And so for those of you who've already signed up, welcome to the family. And then for those who are looking to sign up, we want you. We want you, sis. We want you to be a part of the fold. So, there's no criteria other than being a Black woman and a positive Black woman.